Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to learn a really easy trick that will help you to memorize the order and the frequency of electromagnetic waves. So the advantage of this trick is using this one single trick you can remember both the order and also the frequency of the electromagnetic waves. So let's start with the listing out the different electromagnetic waves. So these are the different waves. There is gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible light, then the infrared radiation, microwaves and the radio waves. And you can see on the right side that the minimum and maximum frequency of each of these waves are listed down. So let's come up with a solution to learn this and while still maintaining the order. So what we actually need is our trick should be able to decode the whole list of these waves in the exact same order starting with gamma rays. So let's find out how we can develop such a trick. So the trick to learn this list of these waves is gonna be a simple sentence that is easy to remember. So nothing hard, you can just remember the sentence and recollect the list just by using that simple sentence. And the sentence is: geography expert used vans in marketing rocks. So you can imagine a geography expert guy who used some vans to market some rocks. So if you see the order of each of these words, the first letter of each of these words represent the specific waves like this. Each of the trick word matches with the wave name in the same order of the waves. So you can easily use them to recollect the order of the list, and just by recollecting the first letter you can recollect the entire word. And another advantage of this particular sentence is that you can count the number of letters in this trick word. So for example, there is geography with 9 letters, expert with 6 letters, used with 4 letters, and all these letters actually signify the frequency of each of these waves. So for gamma rays, the frequency is 10 to the power 19 and 9 is indicated by the word geography. You just have to add 1 in front of the 9 until it reaches the word marketing. So once you reach the word marketing, you need not add 1 in front of 9. You can just write it as 9 and 4. So using the same trick, you can deduce the minimum frequency of each of these waves. But still, we need to memorize the maximum frequency. How can we do that? For that, we need to use another simple trick, which is really easy to remember. Before we go into that, this is the maximum frequency. You can find that there is a frequency difference between 19 and 23 and 16 and 20, a difference of 4, between 14 and 17, a difference of 3, etc. So we need to derive a trick to help us remember that. And this trick is also going to be another sentence which is really easy to remember. And here's the trick: pick 4:30 as tea break. Just imagine you're going to have a tea break every day at 4:30. So when you count the number of letters in each of these words, and also when you consider 4:30 as individual numbers, altogether you will get a list of numbers, that is 4, 4, 3, 0, 2, 3, 5. By using that numbers and adding them to each of the powers in the minimum frequency, you can easily deduce the maximum frequency, and thus you can come up with the minimum and maximum frequency pretty quickly without much effort. So I hope this trick helped you all in scoring good marks. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you again for another trick. Bye.